What's going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I'm finna show y'all how to install mods, how to install resources packs, and how to install shaders to give your Minecraft a better look. I know that the basic one's a little ugly, So if you wanna improve your looks, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So there's two ways you could do it. There's a way with CurseForge, and there's a way with Fabric. I've tried to use CurseForge and I couldn't really figure it out, but use I went the Fabric way and it helped me out a lot. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, right? So you're gonna open a browser, right? Whichever browser you use. You're gonna type in Fabric Minecraft, right? So you're gonna click on the actual Fabric right here. Should be the first one, right? You're gonna click download. Got to download Fabric Loader, right? You're gonna download it. You're gonna open it, and right here, you're gonna choose the version you're on. So you can check that by going to your Minecraft launcher, right? And you can actually see. So you can actually see right here. It's gonna pop up like this, and it's right here, right? Sorry, I had the eyes loader right here. This is released, and this is your version number. So you're gonna download which version. So mine's the latest version. Right, we're gonna do this for 1.2111. Right, we're gonna click install. Click create profile and install. Oh, you gotta have it closed, my fault, guys. So you install it, and it said it has been successfully been installed. Many mods require Fabric API into the mods folder. Okay. So you can click out of this now, right? So load up Minecraft launcher, right? And just make sure it installed right here. It should pop up like this. If it doesn't, just click this menu. If it's like stuck there, you just could click. It's called Fabric Loader, right? You can also go to installations, go right here, right? So now you have the Fabric Loader, which is basically the foundation of all the mods you're gonna put onto it, right? So you need this, and then now you're gonna actually want to download the mods you want. So the website I use, you can use other websites. I just recommend making sure your websites are trusted. You could download a mod, you thinking you're downloading a mod and it really has a virus. So I like to use mod Reneth. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but I've been using this one. Right. Coming from a Bedrock player, it was kind of difficult to learn how to mod it, but once I learned, I think this method was probably the most easiest for me. So, right, you can go to mod packs, right? There are mod packs, but we're gonna go click Fabric because remember you're on Fabric, right? And these are your mods, right? These are your mods. So some mods don't require it, but what's the point of struggling finding which mods need it if you can just install it, and if it does, you already have it installed. So basically, you're gonna need Fabric API, Sodium, and Iris shaders, right? So some of these mods require you download Fabric API and stuff like that. Some don't, but you don't really lose anything from just putting it there anyway. So if it does, in case needs it, you already have it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download it. Right, I'm gonna click on it, and my these links are gonna be in the description. Right, you're gonna go to versions, and right here, since we're using Fabric, we're gonna use the one for our game version. So you see the game version right here. See all of these, right? You're gonna download the one for your game version. So mine's right here, 1.2111. uh, 0.11. So you're gonna click right here, download, and now it's starting to download. Okay, you're just gonna wait for that to download. Once that finished downloading, you're gonna want to download Sodium. Same way, versions, and make sure, guys, your platform is Fabric. It's like Fabric, not NeoForge. Um, not any of the other ones. It has to be Fabric. Don't ever mix mods like with the platforms. Okay, if you're on Fabric, use Fabric mods. If you're on Forge, use Forge mods. Right. So mine is Fabric. Right. We're gonna click download, and that's gonna download. So now since we have that, we're gonna go to Iris shaders. Right. This is for your shaders. Almost all of them require this. So I'm gonna go to Fabric. Right. Make sure it's not NeoForge. Fabric. Game. The game version you are. Right. You're just gonna download that. And if you're, because I know I was at first before I learned all this, if you're sketchy about what you're downloading, you can always be safe. I usually use VirusTotal. Basically, what this does is um, it scans through a bunch of different virus checkers and gives you how many agreed to how safe it is. I usually just copy the link, so you can go right here, downloads. Right click, copy download link, just paste it onto here, and you see it's clean. All of these people said it's clean. Google said it's clean. Google Safe Browsing said it's clean. You know, so yeah. So once you have all three of those downloaded, right, you're gonna want to minimize this tab, right, and you're going to want to open up your Minecraft launcher because honestly, it's easier. You could do it through files, but then you have to search for it, in which it's too much work. So just open up Minecraft launcher, open installation folder, and right here, these are installations for Minecraft. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna click mods right here. You're gonna double right left click. Sorry, you're gonna double left click where you are in mods, right? You can go right here, your downloads, right? And you're just gonna drag these into here, just like so. Iris, Sodium, and Fabric IPI. So now these are your mods, you know? So that's your foundation basically. If you want to add mods, because some require, right? So now since you've done that, now you can go ahead and start modding your game. So let's say for example, I want let's let's get let's get this map. Okay, let's get this map for example. We're gonna go to versions and we're gonna download the whatever version we are. We're gonna click download. It's downloading. And again, we're still on the mods tab because it's a mod, you know, right here, minimap. We're just gonna drag that in there. And now, if we actually go into Minecraft, right, make sure it's loaded up with this, right? You just select it, click play. All right, now that we're loaded in, you see Fabric modded, right? You're just gonna load into a map, right? So let's just click, um, let's just create a new world. Why not? I'll go to creative. All right, so we're loading up, and now you have that mod, the mod you selected. So I selected minimap, right? And now I have the minimap in the top left of my corner, right? That's my mod, and that's how you actually install mods, guys. You have officially downloaded mods. Now, if you want to download shaders, right? Because I'm also going to show you guys how to download shaders. Okay, so close out of this. Right. A thing I do want to say is make sure what you're downloading is what you're downloading. For examples, when I first started, I was putting these resource packs in the mod folder, and obviously they wouldn't work. So if they're mods, they're gonna be mods. Usually, mods end in mods are jar files. So just make sure they're mods, right? Because I was making that mistake. So let's go to resource packs, right? Let's say you want some resource packs, you know. I actually have some of my favorites already. Uh, Mini Shield, I think it's called. Yeah, okay. Let's click a random one. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you. New glowing ores. Mm, low shield. Okay, let's download low shield. Right. So this is a resource pack. Right. It's not a mod. Right. So you're gonna go to the game version. Right. Your game version. And download your resource pack. Right. So then again, you're gonna go to installations, fabric loader, open it up, and you're gonna drag the resource pack into the resource pack folder. Right, so we're gonna go right here and low shield zip. Right, and then we have that. If we load up Minecraft, oh, I was already in. Oops. Load up Minecraft. All right, click escape, options, resource packs, and select which resource pack you put in there. Make sure to select your resource packs, right? It won't automatically do it like in oops. They only have the other one. Right? Make sure you actually select it. Alright, so we're gonna go to shield. And boom, guys. You see, it's way more tinier. You can actually see the difference if we unselect that resource pack. You see? And we can always just oops, I have it on. Right. See the difference? Then we go back. And boom. So that is how you download resource packs. The same with shaders. Alright. So let's go to shaders real quick. So with shaders, alright. Same thing. Since you already have the Iris shaders that I made you guys download earlier, you can just go ahead and just download whatever shaders you want. So I'm gonna go for BSL, right? BSL shaders. We're gonna go to versions, and we're going to go with Iris. So we're Iris, right? Remember, guys, I made you download Iris. So we're Iris, right? I'm gonna look for yours, right? So right here, 1.21, right? It's made 2 hours ago. So just usually if you're doing the latest version, just download the, the latest one. Um, we're gonna go here, open the folder again, and we're going to instead this time we're gonna go to shader packs. and we're going to drag the BSL zip file into the shader pack. So now since we've done that, we can go to Minecraft, video settings, and boom, now we have the BSL, right? We have the BSL shader pack. So again, you go, it's not going to automatically equip it to you. You're going to go options, video settings. We're going to go to shader packs, and we're going to equip the one we want. So BSL, you can download multiple shader packs at a time. So we're going to equip BSL. And there we go, guys. You have now successfully modded your Minecraft. You have added a mod, and you have added a resource pack, right? So now you can enjoy your lovely world and, have fun, play Minecraft, And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to help you guys out. Goodbye, y'all.